Hey, hi, good evening. So, first of all, I'll tell you how to do a setup. Okay, give you one zip file. Okay, so you have to make it unzip. After making it zip file unzip, you will get this number of files will be there. Okay, so to run the project now, first what you have to do, you have to install Python. I'll suggest install 3.7 or 3.6 somewhat. Okay, so you can directly go to this official website, and in the bottom you will get the downloadable link. Okay, so this one the installable installer. Okay, so you can just do download and install. Okay, and also make sure uh, when you installing the python now, so you have to make sure one thing. Just a second, I had to path drop. Whenever you will install python na, okay, so during installation, like suppose you are supposed to install. Okay, so in the installation you will get this add python 3.7 to path option. Okay, so you have to select it. Okay, you have to check this uh, option, then only system will automatically do that environment setup. Okay, then you no need to do environment setup. Okay, so this is the first step. Second step, what you have to do, you have to come inside your folder. Okay, project folder. Suppose this is my project folder. So in this project folder, in the address bar, okay, so this is your search address bar. So here there is one icon, previous location icon. So you have to click to this icon. After clicking this icon, you will system will select the complete path. So you have to remove that complete path and you have to type cmd. And after typing cmd, you will but system will open a command promote to that particular location. Okay, here you have to type one command. Okay, python install r requirement.js. Okay, so you have to type this command as it is, and also you have to make sure you allow user permission, and you have to hit enter. Okay, after sorry, you no need to type python. Sorry, it's pip. Okay, pip install r user requirement.txt. Okay, so this way sorry, you have, I think you have to remove it, is not taking the user permission. So you have to type this command like this way, and you have to click enter. Okay, then system will take some time, like it will download all the libraries. It will take 15 to 30 minutes. It will based up depend upon your internet speed. Okay, and after installing all the libraries, then it will get all the success message. Okay, if you get an error, then just share the screenshot. Okay, I'll tell you the uh, a solution. Okay, after installing all the libraries, okay, then you have to type this command python start project.py. You have to type this command as it is case sensitive. Okay, command promote is case sensitive. And after typing this command, system will load all the libraries and it will start your project. And in case any error occurred in this particular command, then share the screenshot. I will tell you the solution. Okay, and after this, it will open up this login page. So this is our login page. Here you have to type username as a admin, password as pass123, like this. Let me show you. Okay, password is like this way, pass123. Okay, and then after typing password, you have to click to start system button. After clicking start system button, it will open up this home screen. So in the home screen, you will get two options. Okay, video option and image option will be there. Okay, so in the project folder, if you go to project folder. Okay, so this is my project folder. Okay, here there are multiple folders are there. Okay, like a data set, test images. Okay, so to provide an image, like I have given you some images. If you go to test images and videos folder, so here are some images are there which I have provided. So you can simply copy this path. Okay, and you can directly go to select image and option, and you can paste the part, and it will open the particular all images. Okay, and then here you can now select the image. Okay, same way, this is for image selection. Okay, now let me go to excel sheet folder. Okay, so here there is no excel sheet right now, right? So let me select some random image. Suppose let me select this one, and then system will take your image. Suppose as it is taking your image. Okay, and then it will make the processing. Okay, so as you can see, currently this is the rider which having visible license plate is visible, and number is also visible. Okay, and the person having has not wear the helmet, right? So it should generate the sheet accordingly. Okay. So after selecting image and after system will make the prediction properly, then you have to press Q button. Okay, and once you press the Q button, so this is our admin panel where you can check the status, like helmet status is not wearing, number plate is visible, and this is the number plate. Okay, and so yeah, this way like it will show you the result. And same way if you go to excel sheet folder, so this is the excel sheet where system will generate the excel sheet, and it will show you the result, like this is the same helmet status, license plate status, number plate, and number of passengers. So this way it is working. Same way, let's suppose select some video. Okay, this is for image. If you want, you can select again let me select some other images. Suppose let me select this image, which having some this image. Okay, it having a clear number plate visible. Okay, so so as of now, there is only one Excel sheet. So in the Excel sheet now, I have given the name as date as well as the time. This is the time like 17:43. Like as of now, the 17:45 is happening. But we have made the prediction 2 minutes before, right? So it is showing the timestamp. Okay. And after result, so as you can see, this is our result screen. Okay. So let me press Q button. You have to press Q button into this window. Okay. And when you press the Q button, then system will generate the excel sheet as well as it will show you the result in the admin panel. Okay, so like this way, as of now rider is wearing the helmet, right, and number plate is visible, but the number plate number is not visible because it is very low quality image. Okay, and same way number of passenger. Okay, number of passenger is the kind of key I have given the additional thing. Okay, it is not 100% accurate, even nothing is 100% accurate. This is machine learning, right? So machine learning having drawbacks and as well as some loopholes are there. Okay, so I have tried to achieve max accuracy as I can. So this is the result screen. You can click to next image, then it will show you the next image as well as here you can see the new file has created. And if you open the file, so whatever number of user system will detect and whatever violence is there, it will show you the information accordingly. Okay, this is for image. Okay, same way if you select in video, suppose let me select video. Suppose let me select this video. Then system will open up one window where it will show you the result, detecting result frame by frame. So as you can see, system is detecting, and based on whatever video frame, like once the video frames gets over, like all frame. Okay, then internally it will generate the excel sheet and show you the result in admin panel. Okay, so let's, it will take some time based on your laptop performance. It will show you the result and make take the time. Okay, so as of now it is predicting. Okay, and in the console you can also check the logs, see how system is making the prediction. Okay, like that. I'll suggest take some i5 generation or i5 processor, and which having good processor and having a good number of RAM. Okay, like at least it should have 8 GB of RAM, because see, we are using YOLO algorithm, right? YOLO is a very huge algorithm, and we have trained our model on our top of our data set, right? And it is, we are also using API for detecting number plate, right? Number plate number. Okay, for that purpose we are using the API. So this uh, process will take some time. Okay, actually the video length is huge, that's why it is taking time. Okay, You can skip this part, okay, if you don't want to watch this complete demonstration, so you can skip. So yeah, now successfully detected all the system. As you can see, now you can just click to next image, then it will show you all the riders one by one, okay, like this. And also it has generated one Excel sheet where it will add all the riders information, and it will also show you the number plate. If the number plate is visible, then the number plate will come here, and the number of passengers and the license plate status and the helmet status, like that. And then later on you can add a filter out or top of that, okay, like suppose let me add a filter, and you can then validate like this. Suppose if you want to check the only wearing status, then you can filter out like this way, okay. So this way system is working, okay. Do this setup and let me know in case of any error or anything.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.